फोटो
अभी ऐसा अलाउड नहीं है।
से पिज्जा खिलाओ।
थैंक यू सर।
विन दादा
What's the agenda?
Okay, the agenda is
Everything is cleared from Vedansh's end.
yeah, because
So the agenda is for others to do their
मुझे
work.
ऐसा लग रहा है मोक कर
and Sarah is back to being passive aggressive.
अच्छा चलो let's go through the list एक बार quickly close.
अभी vlog चल रहा है तो काम ज़्यादा कर लेते हैं in front of the camera. The shoot is day after tomorrow. We have models logged. We have most photographers logged, but we don't have a location logged.
Yeah, half a location.
Half a location is logged. All thanks to she is Choti Noela. That is Badi Noela we dikha do. Okay, we're leaving tomorrow morning at
7.
We're leaving at 7 a.m. These bastards are making me wake up at 7 a.m. to go to Lonavala. Normally anyone else would have been excited for this, but not me.
Which is obviously the point.
So comment below if you like this vlog energy without you know who. Maybe I think vlogs are better without you know who. If you do fuck with it, comment I fuck with this. Comment that. And we will see you all in Lonavala we will see you in the car.
What you're gonna get is you.
Good morning.
What day is it?
It's Recce Day and we are about to leave to Vedansh house. Then we'll
let's
head
go.
to Lonavala.
अपनी ऑटो आ रही है।
Right on.
All my fans are here. क्या पता?
भाई ये क्या ड्रामेटिक लाइटिंग है।
बैटमैन साले। सर, it's go time.
पागल हो
गाइस प्लीज कमेंट में बोलो उठ जाओ वेदांश। ये फन तुम मिस थोड़ा ना करना चाहेगा ब्रो।
देख, 10 तक गिनूंगा।
पानी
चल छोड़। Oh, by the way, update. We got Vedansh on board.
घर ही आ जाती.
Say hello, Vedansh.
Welcome to the fast life, it's the life I chose. Living on the road, let's go take a trip. Got a couple shows, we don't even vote, but you know we taking pose. I don't ever stay in place, girl.
भैया सही बात बोलो। नहीं 100 का लगाओ 100 का। 80 रुपए अभी नकदी दे रहा हूँ, नकदी जीपे भी पे नहीं, नकदी ले लो। चले गया।
ਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ।
We'll see you at the dhaba.
Cause you know that I can't stay. Yeah, I hit the road, I don't even need a.
Okay, we're here at lunch at this place called Sunny Da Dhaba. For the last week or so, we've been planning this shoot over 5 years. Like ever since I joined, he's always talked about just making something of our own. As much as we like selling all the shoes that you want, the Jordans, the Grails, the Yeezys. And lately Mehak's just been absolutely killing it with everything here. That whole brand on its own, which is not just merch from Main Street, because that's not what the idea is. It is primarily just, you know, a creative luxury label in its own, and it's a very fitting thing for us to do with someone as creative as Mr. Jimmy Shergill, who's been a long time supporter of ours. FW24 for gear is what we're gonna shoot tomorrow. But okay, we are hungry now and our place is ready. It's that.
Do the dash right, told her how I'm living. Welcome to the fast life.
Fast life, new chains. Shout out to Kicks and Dale. Y'all better wish me well.
The villa is there. The guys क्या लगता है? एंगल क्या है ये?
ब्रो मेरे हिसाब से 45 डिग्री के एंगल से, 200 की स्पीड से, 60 डिग्री के एलिवेशन से
की स्पीड पे गाड़ी भगाएंगे 45 डिग्री के एंगल पे अगर हमने उसको जंप कराया पक गाड़ी उस तरफ।
Up the racks, I'm running them laps, good ass weed.
Oh, that's your lake.
Promoters, they loving a nigga, they send a deposit, I'm sending the drops. I'm running around with the baddest, she get the fetty and I get.
So welcome to villa number 1. We have the pool table, haram, old school, very old school. Cool, Tauji. Look at that view, Jesus.
I love the place.
Location number 2, which is this very very nice Radisson hotel in Lonavala.
Correct.
We're gonna do a 2-part shoot, and both of these places have been like very not efficiently. So we are here. I think Jimmy sir is just about to pull up. Bro, it's Munna Bhai. Oh, he's giving Munna Bhai. Gangster. Hello. Hi.
How are you?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Hello. That's it. That's the thumbnail.
up like that.
Is there a thing?
Camera's there, right?
Can do.
Yeah, some perspective.
है ना? Just perspective because that's the garden. He's just like, you know, thinking. And maybe he's just thinking.
And for the video also, maybe there's like a crazy zoom in.
Yeah,
Like
that could
very
be the zoom in
detailed.
what we discussed about. About the, and it just goes in. We put a mic there.
Yeah.
And he just says the
Future. Yeah,
for a brighter future. I think that'll be hard with. वेदांश चौधरी
Main Street TV.
टीवी के लिए रिपोर्टिंग करते हैं. Okay, no, but anyway, we're at the location. We're about to begin. Our second model, friend, gracious person. He's here.
Very nice.
This is Oxy.
Hi, I'm Oxy.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hey, hello. What's up?
Your designs and I love what you do, so congratulations.
So that's a wrap?
Comes like the biggest collection of all time. Thank you so much. Thanks for cooperating. Thank you so much, brother.
Let's go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. After like what, 11 hours of excruciating shoot later, we're finally done. Thank you to Mr. Jimmy for making it happen. For everyone who's made it till here, comment gear if you like what we're doing and want to see more of it. And of course, goes without saying, you've got to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more of this and more of this. Bye.
Trip. Got a couple shows. We don't even vote, but you know we taking pose. I don't ever stay in place, girl. I gotta go get my bag.
Wind, Dada.
Shubham, you're looking like this Maggie. And also you're looking like the bhajia. And you're looking like the theli. We'll pack all of this in. Where's this from? Where's this from? Where's this from?
आपने gear क्यों?
Amazing. How are you feeling? Cameraman.
Yo, no one asked the cameraman. Man. That's so true.
Shout out to Kicks and Dale.